So what is the purpose of the Google Search Console? Why would you need it? First of all, basically it's free. It monitors and maintains and troubleshoots your website and will send you the information that can assist you. It confirms that Google can find and crawl your site, fix indexing problems, view Google search traffic, you receive alerts from spamming indexing, show you sites that are linked to your website, and troubleshooting issues for your website. Google Search Console has only helped me a lot in finding issues and problems with the websites that I maintain. I can't go without it. Okay, first of all, search for Google Search Console in your browser. When you find it, go to open it, hit start now, and then use the URL prefix property type, not the domain. So what are the differences between the two website properties that you need to set up your website for? The domain property is more involved, and you may need the developer to set that up for you, because you need to enter your domain name provider, paste a text record into your DNS configuration. The URL prefix property is much simpler, because all you need is your URL of your website to set up your Google Search Console. So I recommend you use a URL prefix property, as you will see in the next lesson. And let's go through a live setup as I register a new website. Copy and paste your domain, continue, wait a few seconds. Now what you need to do is download this Google HTML file that is provided for you, because what you need to do is upload it to your website files on your server. Now leave this window open during the process, but you need to verify the setup later. So let's download the file. Once you have downloaded the Google HTML file to your computer, you need to upload it to your server of your website. And there's two FTP clients that I recommend. They're both free that you can use. The first one is called FileZilla. The second free and cross-browser compatible FTP client I recommend is CyberDuck. Using FileZilla as our FTP client, find where your Google HTML file is downloaded on your computer. Here it is in my download file. There it is, Google, with the code name. Right click and upload, and make sure you're in your right website directory if you have several websites on your server. There's Calvary Chapel Mililani. I'm going to upload it to the root file of the website, and there it is. So it's ready to be verified by the Search Console. Okay, once you have uploaded your Google HTML file to your server, click continue, wait several seconds, and there you go. Ownership is verified by Google Search Console. You can now go to your properties, and of course there's nothing displayed because it's a fresh setup and Google has not crawled your website yet. So you can see some of the reports that will be shown later, and I probably will create a tutorial to show you how I use Google Search Console to analyze your website.